Hello guys, here is another jacket that I'm making. I had some stuff left over. So y'all been seeing those denim blue jean fur jackets that have been trending all around. Gino, stop it. So if you can see, I attach one arm. So I'm finna cut this sleeve off, do the other arm, and I'm finna measure out for the collar. So Gino, if you don't stop, why would you do that? And you see I'm working. So you see I got the collar. I already measured my piece out. So I do machine sew the sleeves, but the collar, I'm going to glue it. So I already measured it out. Gino want to act a dang on fool. Hold on, guys. I'm finna get a whooping. What is it? What is it? What you want? You want to do a TikTok? Tell them what you want. You want to be a cat baby. Dog. Get up there. Okay, so I got it measured out. And I'm just going to glue it. And then the collar be on, and I cut off the other sleeve. When I come back, it'll be ready. So it's real simple. So I would say order a yard of the fur. And if you got a vest, you can use a vest. If not, cut the sleeves off, measure out, and make it bigger, wider than the actual jean. And then put the collar on the neck. I glue that down. I don't sew it. And I'll come back and show y'all the finishing. Stay tuned. Okay, guys. So here is the finished result of this jacket. And I did the boots. Y'all see the boots? And I'm going to show y'all what the boots look like before I did them. So these boots came off of Amazon. They kind of shaped like the Timberlands. These boots was $39.99 with free shipping, Amazon Prime. You could wear them either way. You could do it with this special piece on there, or you could do it with the ties. So I took this piece out because I like to bring the ties through and glue the fur on. So if you guys want to get these boots and make you some, and remember, the fur came off of eBay as well, and then the boots came off of Amazon. So this little piece comes off. So I'm going to take this piece off and then lace them up the normal way and make them look like this. So you can wear them either way. You can either wear them like this, or you can wear them tied up like that. That one piece comes out. So there you guys go. Toodles. And I did glue I glued the collar on and I sewed the sleeves on. So that's, you guys can glue the whole thing on if you decide to. But I decide to sew it on. So toodles. Bye-bye.